Hello friends, and not yet friends, welcome back to Mary's Test Kitchen. And on this very smoky day, let's pretend everything is fine and cook up these breakfast patties from Tomorrow Foods. Of course, I already threw away the packaging because I love guessing at cooking instructions, don't you? So after I heated some oil in this pan, I struggled to pick up a patty and promptly caused oil to splatter everywhere. Clearly, it's going to need the most delightful day. I'm guessing it's time to flip, but my trusty chopsticks aren't going to do the job this time. Time to bring in the heavy hitter. After the flippening, might as well get the rest of my sandwich ready. Without a focus mayo. By the way, if you want a recipe for making cheap and easy vegan mayo at home, check out the card at the upper right corner or link in the description box. Our golden breakfast patties are done. The taste of these reminds me of Gardein, but just not so meaty. Like a garden burger version of a breakfast sausage. I quite like them. Feels healthy. And then I'm adding some sweet roasted red pepper. Well, I have avocado luck today. Pretty good. I guess I told you this day was going to be delightful. Oh no. Lettuce, sprouts, peppers, patty, mayo, all very good. Oh, that's my cat crying. Not so good. Okay, senior cats get what they want, so I'll finish this after. If you want to skip ahead to dinner, click on the chapter in the timeline or in the description. But Roz and I, we're going out. In the shade, on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Time for a wee little rest. Na, na, na. And back home. And lunchtime for Riles. Don't believe Chester. Despite appearances, he's already had his.
found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
For dinner, I have some pressed tofu. It's very convenient like this, but it's constantly sold out, so when I see it, I get it. I love this texture. It's dense, but when you eat it, it's still tender, not grainy or dry. I literally could eat this plain. But that would make a pretty boring vlog, so I'm slicing into 1/4-inch thick pieces. And drying all surfaces. We're gonna stir fry them with green onion. Chopped roughly. I only need 1/2 cup. The rest I can put in the fridge for later. And very conveniently, I found these tubes of aromatics at the store. Ginger and lemongrass. I'll also need Shaoxing wine to deglaze the pan. Best to measure it now, as stir fries need to go quick. Plus soy sauce. If you're following along, use a full tablespoon, not just half like I have here. Also add a teaspoon of sugar or sweetener. I missed the record button when I added that. And this is trying to be an 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Time for the wok, or a large pan is fine too. Add about a tablespoon of cooking oil over medium-high heat. In goes the green onion, and a teaspoon each of lemongrass and ginger. Plus garlic powder, I'm just out of fresh. And stir fry for about 5 minutes. Turn down the heat if you need to prevent the aromatics from burning. But we need the time for the green onions to get sweeter. Then push them to the side. It looks like we don't need extra oil. So lay down the tofu as best you can. Brown them on both sides. Adjust the heat, so it takes just about 2 minutes on each side. Now, the deglazing with Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, sweetener, and white pepper. We won't need the heat on now, just fold. The tofu is absorbing all those flavors now. It's gonna be so good. And by the way, if you want this lemongrass pressed tofu recipe for one, you can find the printable recipe link in the description box as usual. Normally, I would have this flavorful tofu on rice, but I'm out of stock. So I'm using up some lettuce, the other half of my avocado, and some red bell pepper. Trying to make a pretty lettuce wrap situation. But, this is not pretty. Pretty tasty though, even though I really wish I had rice with this. Anyways, this was it because it got way too warm and stuffy inside, and outside was so super smoky, so no opening windows. But if you want a dessert idea, how about trying my tiramisu mug cake? And not as many people watched that video, so if you missed it and want to see how it is made in actually 5 minutes, well, that is linked in the upper right as well, or in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me again for What I Ate Wednesday. Coming up, I'll be sharing my oil-free version of the green onion spaghetti since so many of you requested it. Although now I even am mentioning the green onion oil spaghetti like I'm craving again. Anywho's, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Feel free to leave your request in the comments below, and bye for now.